Hello traders, before we get into this EA, just a quick one. You can actually download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes with a lot of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. It's something that you would want to explore if you are a fan of candlestick patterns and built-in indicators. All right. So now in this video, I am reviewing the FVG EA Pro, and this one is built specifically for MT5. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page for FVG EA Pro. Right now, you can tell that this isn't your typical plug and play EA. It's priced significantly higher than average, but not as high as some others, right? The current price is 249 US dollars and is also available for rent. 3 months is going for 99 US dollars. Okay, so the developer clearly mentions that this EA is built around smart money concepts, specifically using fair value gaps, all right, and market structure to identify high probability setups. Now, that is important because unlike grid systems or scalpers that just react to price, this type of EA is trying to interpret market behavior, things like imbalance, structure shifts, and institutional style movement. It also mentions compatibility with things like kill zones and silver bullet windows, all right, which are very specific trading sessions where liquidity and volatility tend to increase. So overall, just from the description, this EA is trying to replicate a discretionary trading approach, but in an automated way. Now, let's talk about how this EA is actually designed to function. At its core, this EA is built around precision entries, not frequency. So instead of constantly placing trades, it waits for specific conditions like the formation of a fair value gap, combined with confirmation from market structure. So what this means is that the EA is trying to enter trades at areas where price is likely to retrace into inefficiencies before continuing in the overall direction. Now, the real strength here is in the level of customization. You are not locked into one rigid strategy, right? You can actually define how structure is identified, what type of entry you want, limit, stop, or market, and which time windows to trade. And that flexibility is powerful, but it also introduces complexity because if you don't understand how these concepts work, like FVGs or structure shifts, you could easily configure the EA in a way that either overtrades or doesn't trade at all. Another key part is the time-based logic. This EA allows you to restrict trading to specific sessions like London or New York kill zones, which is important because these strategies rely heavily on liquidity timing. On the exit side, it's also very refined. You've got options for break even automation, to protect your trades, of course, and then partial take profits to scale out, trailing stops to maximize moves, and all of that, right? So instead of just hitting a fixed target, the EA can actually manage trades dynamically as price evolves. And then there is the risk control. It includes built in daily drawdown limits and profit targets, which essentially acts as a circuit breaker. Once those levels are hit, the EA stops trading. So that's a big plus, especially for traders trying to maintain discipline or pass prop firm challenges. But again, all of this comes with one condition. You need to properly configure and test it. This is not a beginner friendly EA. All right, so instead of just talking about it, let's actually see how this EA behaves in real market conditions. I've already downloaded the free demo, which can only be used on the strategy tester, and we are going to be heading over to the strategy tester right now for MT5 so that we can test the FVG EA Pro indicator. So I'm just going to be selecting FVG EA Pro, and we're going to be running the test from the start of the year, 1st January 2026. all right, so that we can get a meaningful data set and not just a short sample. Even though I'm still going to recommend that you test the EA over a longer period of time for a more comprehensive result. All right, so let us go ahead and start the back test. All right, so let me just pause it here. All right, so we've got our first trade running. If you look closely, you see that price actually interacted with a gap area, right? This is essentially where the EA is identifying a fair value gap. Now, what's happening here is that price moved aggressively, left an imbalance, and now it's retracing back into that zone. Even though the currently price is currently, above the entry point, the sell entry, right? So, as price left an imbalance, the EA identified a good opportunity, right? So let's just continue. Okay, so you notice what's happening. You can see that another sell trade was triggered, and here buy trade was triggered. The sell trades were still left open. Okay, and now we can see the sell trade seems to have closed. Okay, all right, so we can see that the EA keeps on hunting opportunities in both directions, both buy and sell. Okay, so the EA seems to perform best in structured directional markets with clear imbalances. All right, but in choppy or sideways markets, it's naturally going to sit out more often. And honestly, that's exactly what you want with this kind of strategy. But what I'm saying here is that, okay, we can see the defined stop loss, but I'm saying that the risk the risk seems to be not too good. All right, you can see how it has been adding buy trades despite price moving against the the bullish move, right? And you can see sell orders now are being executed. Okay, see stop loss, the buy trades have been closed. Anyway, let's just skip this to the end so that we can analyze the results together. Okay, so in less than a minute now, we should have the results out. But just to be clear, these are historical backtest results, okay? And they are not a guarantee of future performance. What they show is how the EA would have performed under these exact conditions, same settings, same pair, same time period. All right. Now, performance here will vary depending on your configuration and entry rules, your risk management settings, broker conditions like spread and execution, and overall market structure at the time. All right, amongst others. So we can see that initial deposit was 3,000 US dollars and the total net profit was negative $713. So this is telling us that there was a decline in the balance of close to 25%, right? And then we can see that there was total 15 trades taken. Short trades were 6, 0% win rate. Long trades were 9, 0% win rate. So what that means is that all the trades taken were, losing trades. We can see that there was no single profitable trade out of the 15. The largest losing trade was $70. The average losing trade was $47.53, right? So if you plan to use this EA, you really need to optimize it based on your own strategy and environment. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.